If you're a home workout fan, you need these tips to get ripped without any gear. Let's start with the basics. Bodyweight exercises. Push-ups for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If needed, start on your knees. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Remember, knees behind toes for lower body strength, alternate lunges. Planks are crucial for core strength. Burpees, they hit everything. Focus on form to avoid injury. Start with 3 sets of 8, 12 reps, then ramp it up. Use progressive overload by increasing reps, duration, or decreasing rest. Add variations like incline push-ups or single-leg squats. Don't forget core exercises like bicycle crunches and leg raises. Stay consistent, aim for 3-5 workouts a week. Nutrition is key. Balanced diet with protein, healthy fats and carbs. Hydrate. Rest days are vital for recovery. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Stick with it and you'll build a strong foundation without any equipment.
Like and subscribe for more. Lovely.